Welcome back to class. In the last class, we discussed attributes in HTML, right? So in this class, we are diving further in attributes, how to link pages. So our topic for today is how to link web pages together, okay? So we are going to use this file again, this attribute file, okay? So this is our file. Since we are working on links, so let's use heading 4. So what is link? We all know link, right? Link is a text specific text that directs us to a specified location on a web page or on a website, right? So let's use h2. I am working on list. On links, sorry, I'm working on links, right? So this is it here. I'm working on links. So to link a web page together, there is a tag we can use, and that tag is anchor tag. This anchor tag, this a tag, you can find it down here. This is it, anchor tag. So this href stands for hypertext reference. Okay, this hypertext reference. You know, HTML is hypertext markup language, right? So this hypertext is the form of links. So this reference means the link that you are referring to. Okay, so this place in between this opening and closing tag, this place is where you add a text that you want to be displayed on your web page, in which you can click and it will direct you to the link you provided here. So let's say we want to link our nested list.html. So we just have to write it here, this nested links. You can see it here, right? So nested underscore list.html. Nested, not nested underscore list.html. So the text we add here between the opening and closing tag is the text that will appear on our web page and not this link. Do you understand? Okay, let's try it. Maybe it's working or not. Let's put nested list. Nested list, right? So let's display it. You can see, right? This is nested list. You can see the link we provided is not working. So if you click this nested list, right, nested list, if you click on it, it should direct you to the nested list page. Is it working? Let's try it. Do you see that? Do you see? I'm currently working with nested list, the nested list we built earlier. You can see it is working. So you can see that. So that is how to do that. So in that nested list, where is it? Nested list. This is nested list. Let's make it this div tag. Let's duplicate it so that it can occupy our web page a little bit, right? So let's just copy. It should be in this other list tag. That's the parent tag, remember? So item 2, item 1, so Nigeria, let's use Benin Republic. Benin Republic. So what's the capital of Benin Republic? I think it's Abidjan, right? Abidjan, I guess. So let's view it. Benin Republic, Abidjan. And Abidjan is a country, I think. Let's just put it for explanation sake. It's for explanation sake, or we should just so that you not be confused. Let's just put a con. Let's put a state here, Lagos and Ikeja, which is the capital. Okay, so I think we don't need this right now. We don't need span this page right now. Let's just delete this. Okay, so we have to write. Let me input break tag to create space between them. Break. So there you go. And you know, in our attributes, we link the nested list, right? This is it. We link it to our attributes, and whenever we click on nested list, it takes us to nested list. That's how to link. So we want to refer back to attributes in this nested list. How do we do that? Same process. Same process. Just copy everything here and paste it in your nested list file. Copy. Okay, where's your nested list? Nested list. Paste it, not in your other list at the bottom, but it must be in this body. Okay, it must be in body. This is body. Everything here is body. So just paste it. Paste. I'm working on links. So this hypertext reference, your list here will be different. You know, in our attributes, we refer to nested list. So in our nested list now, we are going to refer back to attributes. So just put attributes.html. Attributes.html. So the text that you want to be displayed, that whenever it is clicked, it will take you to attributes. Just put close this. Just put back to attributes. Okay, let's test it. So this is it. This is our nested list. Back to attributes. This is our attributes nested list. Back nested list. Back to attributes nested. So that is how to link files in the same folder. That is internal files. That's how to link them together. So to link external files is the same process, right? So let's say we want to link HTML. Let's say we want to link what is it called? Facebook, for example. The common social media, Facebook. Just write the URL. What is URL? The desired unique code. Uniform resource locator. That's HTTPS hypertext protocol, and secure is that is so HTTPS forward slash colon www dot facebook dot com. Okay, so the text to be displayed will not be back to attribute again. Let's put facebook Facebook. So let's try it. Facebook, right? So let's on our data. Is it working? Let's check. Facebook. You see? HTTPS the URL is not found. Let's try again. It's not found. Okay. Um I think the colon should not be here. It should be here. That's where the error comes from. So it should work now. You can see it takes us to Facebook. Do you see? It's working. So that's how to link external link. That's how to link external files to your HTML. Do well to practice it. See you in the next class.